Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. It is Monday and today has been such a Monday-y Monday. Alan and I have just been working here at home. I've been doing lots of admin work and editing, and there's a lot of work this morning. It's currently just around 12:30 and I'm clearly still in just at home comfy-ish work clothes. But it's a beautiful day. It is sunny out today. Finally, it's not like rain, snowy, gross outside, so I think I'm gonna get dressed for the day now, get all ready, put on some makeup, and actually head over to The Well, which is like a new giant indoor outdoor shopping center in Toronto, because I think it's finally fully open, and there also is a giant Indigo there. Alan and I had previously walked through The Well before it was like fully open and there was all stores in there, and we walked through the Indigo a little bit, but I think I want to go back, maybe do a little bit of book shopping. We'll see. We'll see if I actually end up doing any book shopping, but definitely want to go browse some books and just look around a little bit, and also get out of the house, take a little bit of a work break, because I have been working nonstop on my computer since around 8:30 this morning. So it's a good solid almost 5 hours of straight work. So definitely need to get out of the house and take a little bit of a break. I'm not feeling the greatest today, so I think it'll be nice to just get out, go for a little walk, get a little stretch, and then maybe read for this afternoon. I think I'm gonna wear my polo bear socks today. They are so cute. I really want more pairs of these. I know they make a few other winter ones and just other polo bears, but these ones are so cute. All right, we go from one comfy cozy outfit to another. I'm gonna throw on my Uggs with this little outfit, but I just have on some leggings, giant oversized comfy knit sweater, oversized wool coat is from Oak and Fort, and then a scarf. And then I put on my little polo bear socks. And we're gonna head out to go to The Well, do a little shopping, and stop at Indigo. Look at the cute Christmas candles. Not that I need more Christmas candles, but I love all of the little espresso cups are so cute, and the matching big mugs and the little plates. Not that I need more mugs either, but homeware is always I'm a sucker for. This Indigo definitely is more of a overall homeware, I feel like. Home and all their other stuff besides books. There's definitely lots of books, but lots of homeware as well. It's a good half and half. Less of a bookstore, more of an overall home store. My favorite section, we love fantasy, you guys. So many books I have on my Christmas list this year, all of the Olivia Blake books my friend recommended to me, so all of these are on my list. I think I'm gonna give myself budget to pick one book and buy one book today. So I'm gonna pick one and buy one, and I will show you guys when I get home which one it is. Okay, we are back home, and the book that I picked up today is Fourth Wing by Rebecca Yarros. This has been on my to-read list for so long, and though I probably won't get to it for like a few more books, I'm so excited to finally have it so I can start reading it as soon as I'm ready. But I'm also so excited about today's giveaway because I have partnered with Indigo. You guys have the chance to win a $250 gift card as well as a copy of Fourth Wing. So for today's giveaway, all you have to do is follow me and Indigo on Instagram and then comment the book that you are currently most excited to read. And that is all. Of course, give this video a like and watch it, and then you guys are entered in the giveaway. This is one of the ones that I've been so excited for because you guys know I love reading. I'm a sucker, and $250, you can get like a good amount of books. Like at least, like I feel like you can at least get 10 to 12, maybe even 15 books depending on like paperback versus hard copy. But you definitely can get a good amount of books, like almost a year's worth of reading, and whether you get like self-help books or fiction books, whatever your reading is, Indigo definitely has it. So Indigo has always been my go-to shop for books. I don't actually know if there's any other bookstore in Canada, but Indigo is our book chain in Canada. I feel like I've never actually chatted about that, but Indigo is just like my comfort place for books, for homeware. It's the best. But I think we're gonna take a nice little afternoon reading session because it's starting to get dark out and I want to read while it's still light out, I'm not gonna lie. I am currently still reading Siege and Storm, so that's what I'm gonna be reading. So far, so good. I actually haven't gotten past the part of the book that I've seen in the show, so I still know everything that's happened so far, but we're gonna do a little bit of reading this afternoon. Little Vlogmas update. I just got off our weekly health cafe health coaching call. It is 7:40 and I also just threw chicken in the oven because I'm making a really quick, easy dinner. A little TMI, your girl is on her period and I just feel disgusting, gross, tired, cold. I want to sit on a heating pad and I might just finish watching the last 2 episodes of The Golden Bachelor tonight after my dinner is done. I think I might chop up some sweet potato and make like really quick, easy sweet potato fries. I also have leftover pasta, so I could eat that. This is like my mental debate half the time is like some nights, especially on my period, I do not want to cook and I just want to have food brought to me. But we're trying to be good. We're not ordering out because we already got lunch out today. So it's either pasta or sweet potato fries. We'll see what I do. Super basic but fairly well balanced, I feel like, dinner. We've got just some oven roasted chicken, my classic sweet potato fries, and then broccoli. So a little bit of protein, greens, and carbs, but this is dinner because I'm feeling a little lazy tonight. Before we dive into The Bachelor, unironically, my NYX order just came in, so I thought we would do a little bit of an unboxing. I recently bought a few pairs just because I had previous ones and I've had them for years and I loved them, but they're getting a little worn now. So I just ordered a few pairs and these are kind of perfect timing. I suck at opening packages apparently right now. Maybe it's these scissors that suck. There we go. Okay. I got a bunch of new pairs of NYX and I'm actually really excited because I have not had new NYX in a while. First up, I got just the classic 3-pack of the holiday leak proof because they were on sale and they came in like this cute little box. And then I also got 3 other pairs. I got the super leak proof bikini, another super leak proof bikini, and then a super leak proof boy shorts. So that's 6 pairs. They also have like thongs and other styles, but personally, if I'm on my period, I just want like comfortable underwear, especially for the first few days. So got some new of these in. I thought we would just do a little unboxing because they came. And I honestly, I really recommend these. They're so comfortable. We are gonna get into The Bachelor now. A bunch of you said I should do more like watch parties, but right now I'm really only watching The Bachelor. I mean, I am watching Game of Thrones with Alan, but I don't think that is really a watch party reaction show. Bachelor definitely is though. I think I'm just gonna watch one episode tonight though. I don't think this one's gonna have much reaction.
You said you.
I think I'm just gonna watch one episode tonight though, just because I don't really feel like watching almost 2 hours of TV tonight. So we're just gonna watch the one episode.
Ask her a question.